It's a 2015 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, Wi-Fi hotspot, and V6 engine. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.